بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امري واحلل عقدة من لساني. Imran Qayyum from Haiku Poetry House Consultants, and today we are in question and answer session regarding the poetry. Poetry houses, poetry band, poetry verse. What are questions we have? And also we welcome your questions. If you have, please write us in the below section after comment section. Write us your question. Please like and subscribe our channels and share with your friends. So today our question is, what is the question? I will show you, please. Wait. That is our question. What is the difference between infrared and conventional brooder heating? So today we will discuss on it and hope you will satisfy with the answer. But you have any question and if you confused, please let us know. Write your answer. Write your questions. Thank you very much. We welcome. There is a lot of misunderstanding about how infrared heat warms a broiler chicken or a broiler house. That there's a lot of misunderstanding. Infrared heat is the kind of heat. Yes, please listen that. Infrared heat is the kind of heat that comes from a glowing brooder. It is the same kind of heat that we experience. When we stand in front of fire on a cold winter day, even though the air temperature between our bodies and the fire is cold, we still receive warmth from the glow of a fire. Yes. But conventional pancake or jet brooders will produce some infrared heat, but most of their heat output is by convection, heating the air. Infrared brooders, which are usually larger physical and in heat output, provide most of their heat as infrared and therefore do not directly heat the air in the poultry house. The infrared heat is transferred from the glowing brooder to the broiler chicken and to whatever area of the litter that is exposed. Without heating the air in between, the warm surfaces then release heat to the air and air temperature will go up. This can make infrared more efficient. But one of the problems relying on infrared heat is that since it does not directly heat the air itself, we do not have good method to control it. If we use air temperature thermostat to turn infrared heaters on and off, we may not be controlling the heat based on the bird needs. And as with trying to scatter away from the brooders too much heat. So that is the difference. Hope you will like our videos. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends to promote the poetry education to the world with us. Thank you very much.